Well, I think I'm gonna go for a ride. Man, this thing still won't run. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Just saddle the old iron horse here. Get you a bottle of Freedom. Just pour that bad boy right in there. Motorcycles like Freedom. It's important you get the fire kind of Freedom. That's the kind I like the best. Put that cap back on there. Right there.